Hello friends, welcome to this session of R programming. In previous video, I have demonstrated how to use ggplotly function to get interactive plotly plot, where tooltip text, navigation buttons and other behaviors we get just by a line of code. In this video, we will see how to control tooltip behavior of plotly interactive plot. By default, tooltip text is shown for all the variables mapped to graph attributes. And here we have mapped sepal length to x-axis, petal length to y-axis, and species to color. And therefore, all these three are being shown in tooltip. This is obviously a bad plot, and we have mapped many variables to many different plot attributes. And here sepal length is also being shown in tooltip, petal length is also shown in tooltip, species is shown two times because we have mapped it to two different attributes of the plot, and petal length is also shown again because we have mapped it to some another attribute. This behavior is quite irritating. Therefore, it is very important to know how to control which variable is to be shown in tooltip. And in this video, we are going to learn that. As usual, we have started with library. That is, we are calling library ggplot2 because the base plot we are getting through ggplot, and ggplotly function works on ggplot object. And then library plotly because that ggplotly functions comes from library plotly. And if you have not installed the packages, you can go to tools menu, install packages, and type the package name there and click installed. Select the package and click install, package will get installed. We have got a scatter plot. That scatter plot is equal to ggplot. Iris is the data which we are going to use, and aesthetics we are mapping to sepal length, x-axis, petal length is y-axis, and color we have mapped to species, shape we have mapped to species, size we have mapped to petal length. And for petal length, two variables are there, y variable and size. And for species, two variables are there, color and shape. Sepal length just has is attribute mapped to one attribute only. Then we have added the geom point layer to that, geom underscore point, bracket shall be complete. The title is ggtitle scatter plot, and that plot will run this, will get the scatter plot which we see in the plot pane. And many legends are there, petal length, species, and all other two legends will also be there. We'll provide that object to ggplotly and see what happens. Ggplotly, and in that the plot object name is there. We'll run that. We have the plotly object. Now when we move mouse over any data point, we can see that sepal length is also being shown, petal length is also being shown, species is being shown two times, and petal length is shown again one time. 5 tooltips are there, of which 2 are getting repeated, and this is very irritating behavior. Here that tooltip is just we have to add. Okay. And in the tooltip, we will give it in inverted code that variable is required, which is to be shown that sepal.length will show first, sepal.length, control enter. Here, the sepal length is being shown only. We rarely require such a overdrawn plot, and therefore we'll remove these mapped attributes from this. Color to species will keep, and we'll remove this. And by default, we are seeing that three attributes are being mapped to the plotly object. We want two attributes to be shown here. Therefore, tooltip is equal to, and we are going to show two, therefore that vector is required, and we are creating vector using function C. And in inverted code, we'll have sepal dot length. Here spelling mistake is there, sepal dot length. In another inverted quote, we'll have the second attribute, that is species, and we'll run that. The two attributes are being shown on the plot. That's all for how to control the tooltip. We can control background also, we can control font size also, but that we'll learn later. Thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please click the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Share this video with your friends, and if you want notifications of my new videos, please click the bell icon. Thank you.